Hey y'all, Brandon Hewitt here with Be Random Fishing. My fishing desk is a mess. So I went out on Amazon and hopefully this is going to help clean things up. I made one of these kind of DIY out of some wood, but it broke. And instead of making another one, I just wanted to go out and buy one, see what they have online, and these were on sale. So here it is. It is a fishing rod rack from PLUSINNO. It says it's easy to install, some simple steps, should hold all my rods. Let's go ahead and get this thing opened and show y'all what it looks like out of the box. Pow. So this is it. You should just be able to set your rod in there and then it just grips it and holds it in place. And then when you want it, you just pull it out. So we're going to install this. It looks like it's perfect size. It will hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rods. So this thing is going to be awesome. As you can see behind me, I got all my tools, my fishing stuff. It's just like a huge mess. You can see right here how they're broken. See that right there? Broke right off. I just kind of made these off of some plastic pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I only had room for 7 rods. And that was the bottom piece down there. And then I have all my travel rods hung up over here. And then that's where my reels go. And this is where everything else goes. I also keep some screws and stuff over here. My bows, bow fishing stuff. Eventually I might get me a bow fish. But what we're going to do is clean all this up and install that new rod rack. That's going to be a lot of fun. Not. Nobody likes to do work. Check this out, guys. It even came with screws. We have to mount this up here. Yeah, that'll be perfect. Is that the right one? Yeah. Why does it say it's like this? Maybe I should read the directions because the PLUSINNO is facing this way. So I guess you put the rod in upwards. Yeah, let me read the instructions. Yep, it goes like that. Oh yeah, that's solid right to that wood. I only need those 3 top screws because I don't have anything here in the bottom. But that'll work. Let's test it. Oh, that's lovely. And then when you want your rod, you just pull it out. Oh, let's test it with a bait caster. Beautiful. And then when I want my rod, I just pull it out. It's so easy. That's awesome. So it's all installed. I really like this. The fact that you mount the rods here, but then there's no like section where the butts have to set on the bottom. So I can stagger the rods like this. So none of the reels hit each other. It's really cool. Super happy with this purchase. Thanks for watching this short video. I won't bore you guys with me cleaning up the rest of this, but it will get done. Catch you on the next one. Oh yeah, that holds it sturdy. That looks like it's gonna work well. And then when you wanna use it, boop, just pull it right out. Yes, sir. This is gonna be awesome.